Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vishwa. As you have seen the title and thumbnail, today I have drawn a person for this month's giveaway, but it doesn't happen easily. Everything happened later on this video, but before that let me show you how I selected the winner and start drawing. I don't want to take any load or burden on me, so I just started using a random comment picker website from the beginning itself. It is very simple. You want to take the link of the video or the post and slap it over there and generate the comments and select any one of the comment as winner. It's simple as that. I haven't posted the last two videos which I have planned because I got a bit sick, nothing serious. Yeah, coming to the point. I decided to announce the giveaway suddenly and posted about that all over my social medias and asked to subscribe and comment here to enter in this giveaway. As I said, I selected this guy as a winner, but he haven't given me a reply within the time, so I just switched the winner and now the person who I'm drawing is the winner. So this is the backstory of the giveaway. Nothing much interesting, right? But friends, here we go. I'm gonna update certain rules to enter into the giveaway, and these rules will apply from next month giveaway. Rule number 1 is to subscribe to this channel and left a comment in the specified video or post. Rule number 2 is to share the specified video or post to some people. Rule number 3 is to reply back within the specified time and date correctly. If in case you are a winner and you haven't given me a reply, I'll change the winner because I want to complete the drawing and the video, so it is a process. I hope you got it. These are the existing and continuing rules, but I'm gonna add another rule, and that is you are not eligible to enter into a giveaway if you have already won a giveaway in this channel where I have drawn you or the person you have said. But in case in future if I'm giving away something else other than a drawing, you can enter into the giveaway, and this is the new rule. I'm adding this because I want everyone to get some opportunity to win. I hope this is a fair one. If you wanna say anything, drop it in the comment section. I'll reply for sure. As the story ends, the drawing is also finished. I hope you like it, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel for more useful videos and giveaways. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa.